guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It is funny because quarantine is just about over here in Malaysia, and of course, me, late to the party with everything, have decided that now is the best time to try a DIY haircut. Now that the hair salons are opening back up. In my defense, I actually got a really bad haircut right after quarantine was lifted. I didn't like it at all, and I'd been seeing all these videos of these beautiful Korean side bangs and like face framing layers, and I really wanted to try it out for myself. So I've done two different haircuts in this video. One of them is a face framing haircut, which is this one that you're seeing right here. And the other one I was really excited about. It's actually a receding hairline haircut. So it's gonna help to hide any receding hairlines, like this bald spot that you have on the side of your head. So the haircut that I'm trying out is actually gonna hide that for you. This does as well, I guess, but if you wanted something a little less in your face and a little more subtle, that would be the haircut for you. I'm gonna show you my before, the first haircut, and then this haircut right here. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video because I had a lot of fun making it. I am really sorry if it's kind of convoluted because I didn't really have time to gather my thoughts. I was pretty much panicking about cutting off all my hair. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video. I hope that it's helpful to you. And if you want to find out how to get this hairstyle or the previous one, then please keep on watching. Alright guys, this is what I'm currently working with. This is what my hair looks like when it's tied up. As you can see, I have got this really nice bald spot on either side of my head. That is what I'm trying to cover up. So let's start with the first. I feel like I need to wash my hair a little bit, get it nice and fluffy before I work with it, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna wash like the front part of my hair, dry it, and then come here and blow dry it with you guys, and then we'll start to cut. I'm back. Got my blow dryer. Okay, so this is my hair fully dried. As you can see, I already do have a bit of fringe, and that is from a haircut that I got about 3 weeks ago. As you can probably tell from what I'm doing right now, I wasn't very happy with the haircut. I'll show you guys my inspo picture right here and the result from the day of my haircut. I was not happy. So I'm gonna try and turn this into something that I would actually like. Trying to get a Korean haircut. I look Japanese right now. I'm gonna start by trying to hide my receding hairline. So this is the first cut. Let's start on the right since I've got a lot more hair there. Here, I'm gonna pin my tiny fringe up in the front first. So this right here is what I'm trying to hide. And what I'm gonna do is I've got this fine tooth comb with this, I don't know what to call it, like a little pick on the back. I'm gonna pull down a teeny tiny kind of curtain of hair. By the way, these are not my ideas. I got all of this off of YouTube, and I will link all the videos that I'm following below. Let's just get this out of the way. I'm gonna start to cut now. I'm a bit scared. What the videos say to do is to cut from the brow line downwards in a kind of slant. Try and do that now. Ooh. Am I doing it right? I don't know. It doesn't really say how much of a slant you should take, so this is scaring me a little bit. I do want everything else to kind of fall, so I'm going to take it down at an angle as well and just keep cutting. Doesn't look too bad. I mean, it's not looking good, but it's not that bad either, right? Okay, I think I'm just gonna leave it like that. Ow! My hair got caught in the scissors. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it like this. I'll make any revisions that I need to, if I know how, later. We're gonna come to this side now. So again, this is what I'm trying to hide right here. Pull down a little curtain of hair. Probably should try and get it the same thickness as the other side. This side is a little bit easier because I can actually angle the scissors this way. I'm just gonna try and get the same length and angle as the other side. I think that's it. I'm gonna tie my hair up and let's see if this forehead hiding thing works. Ugh. I've got a straightener here. I'm probably gonna try and curl this in a little bit. Ooh, that's pretty. I didn't mean to do that at all. This goes to show how much experience I have with this kind of thing, huh? I'm also not that good with straighteners, so please don't mind me if I'm doing something wrong. That's it. So with my hair all tied up, what do you guys think? So that is attempt number 1 down, guys. I'm not sure about the very edges of this thing. Maybe I came in too close to the center of the face, but overall I'm actually really happy with it. I love the way it kind of disguises this and makes it look a little less obvious. I am very happy. I'm not actually sure I should go further. I'm so afraid I'm gonna make it and it's gonna go horribly wrong. And I've got a live stream tonight with a makeup brand, and it probably wouldn't be a very good idea showing up with the craziest hair ever. Should I? You know what? I think I'm just gonna go for it. Let's play. So the reason why I am a little bit worried about doing this is because every single video I've seen doing this technique, they've done it on center partings, and my hair is parted off to my left. So I'm not sure how it's gonna go or if it's gonna go well at all. Only one video that I saw actually said that you can do this technique on side parting as well. I don't know how well I can trust it because she did it on a center part. We're just gonna try it out and see if it works. The way that you start is you take about a half finger's worth of hair on either side of your head, and from that point it's supposed to form a triangle. I've got one side down, and I'm assuming because I have a side part that my triangle is going to be off to the side, so this side is going to be larger than this side. Is that a triangle? It looks like a triangle. Okay, so I've got my 2 basic sides, and this is why I'm so mad at the haircut that I got, by the way. So the first level of the haircut, the shortest part of the fringe, is supposed to land just about at the nose. Can you see where mine landed? And I kid you not, the guy that cut my hair took a look at my finished result and said, you know what, it's exactly the same as the picture that you brought as a reference. And I was just like, what? But it's okay, we're not gonna get mad. We're just gonna try and work with it. So, first things first, at the very part, you're supposed to take a tiny amount of hair. I would say about a finger's thickness, and that is the shortest point of your fringe. So I've got a little tiny bit that's a bit too long right here. I'm going to cut that off. Next, you're going to take another finger's worth on either side. So I'm assuming I've got to take more on the side with the larger part. Again, I have no idea. So that is supposed to come down to the lip. So I am gonna cut right at the lip, and then finally for the last bits, come down to the chin, cut. Okay, so from this point, what you're meant to do is actually just make sure that the hair falls at a really nice angle. Okay, it doesn't help that my hair color right now is the same color as my face. So the only tip I can give you right now is that my aunt used to be a hairdresser, and she used to do this really often. Once you've got all the hair that you need and the length that you need, what you do is take it in a straight line, just diagonally across your face, and then you can cut all of that hair in a nice straight line, and when you put it back down where it originally sits, it'll kind of fall at a nice gradient. Hair cutting wisdom right there. You know what? I think we're done. Oh, this is a really nice gradient. I love it. The beauty of this hairstyle is that you're gonna be curling it anyway, so you don't have to get it perfect. I'm starting to get carried away here. I'm not sure if you guys can tell. I have a feeling this will not end well, but for some reason I'm going for it anyway. So right now I'm gonna try and style this and see what happens. I'm gonna use a curling iron, big barrel. One last thing I'm gonna do. It does not get any more Korean than this. Seriously. So while it's cooling, I'm actually going to go back in with my straightener because I feel like these pieces on the side here could use a tiny bit more curl. Alright guys, after a bunch of styling and teasing, this is the finished look. I love how thick everything is. I don't know, I just really like the idea of something framing my face. I'm not sure I'm going to keep the fringe. I might just push everything aside and just keep it like this. But yeah, I am really, really happy. I don't know if you guys like the look, but, you know, it doesn't hurt to try it out, I guess. If you want to find out if I'm going to be keeping this hairstyle, just follow me on Instagram. You'll see how I deal with it from day to day. Most likely, I'm going to be pushing it back a lot, but I love having the option of having all of this going on when I go out. So that's that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, either as a guide on how you're going to cut your hair in the future or how not to, or just a lesson that you might just want to go straight to a hairstylist instead. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye!